Welcome back to the channel, Auto Pulse. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Kubota M7060, an advanced and versatile utility tractor that's designed to handle a wide range of agricultural tasks with efficiency and reliability. Whether you're a small-scale farmer or managing a large operation, the M7060 brings together power, comfort, and technology in a way that truly stands out. The 2025 Kubota M7060 is powered by a 4-cylinder, 3.3-liter diesel engine that delivers approximately 71 horsepower. This engine meets the latest Tier 4 final emission standards, thanks to the use of a diesel particulate filter (DPF) and Common Rail System (CRS), which ensures cleaner operation without sacrificing performance. It's built for fuel efficiency and long-lasting durability, making it a cost-effective solution over the long haul. One of the standout features of the M7060 is the transmission. It comes with an 8-speed or 12-speed transmission, depending on the configuration, including options for hydraulic shuttle shifting, which is ideal for front-loader work. The hydraulic shuttle lets you switch directions effortlessly without using the clutch, perfect for tasks that require frequent forward and reverse movement. Speaking of loaders, the M7060 pairs perfectly with Kubota's LA1154 front loader. With a lift capacity of over 2,300 pounds at the pivot pin and a maximum lift height of around 118 inches, this loader can handle heavy-duty materials like hay bales, feed, or dirt with ease. The loader is easy to attach and remove, thanks to Kubota's quick attach system, which adds convenience and flexibility to your daily operations. Hydraulic performance is another strong point for the M7060. It offers a high-capacity hydraulic pump, delivering around 16.2 GPM of float combined. This supports faster cycle times and ensures that both the loader and any hydraulic implements work smoothly and efficiently. 2 rear remote valves come standard, with the option to add more depending on your needs. In terms of operator comfort, the 2025 M7060 is available in both ROPS and cab versions. The cab model includes air conditioning, heating, and a wide, quiet workspace with ergonomic controls and a deluxe seat. Whether you're working in the heat of summer or the chill of winter, the M7060 keeps you comfortable and focused. The visibility from the cab is excellent, with large glass panels and well-positioned mirrors for safe and easy maneuvering. Another key benefit of the M7060 is its strong 3-point hitch. With a lift capacity of over 3,300 pounds at the lift point, you can handle a variety of rear implements, from mowers and tillers to box blades and post-hole diggers. The position and draft control system ensures precise adjustment of implement depth, which is especially useful for fieldwork and planting. The tractor's compact design, with a relatively tight turning radius and excellent weight distribution, allows it to be highly maneuverable, even in tight spaces or uneven terrain. It also features 4WD for better traction and stability, which is especially important when working on hills, in mud, or carrying heavy loads. Kubota has also focused on easy maintenance with this model. The 1-piece steel hood opens fully for quick access to the engine, filters, and fluid levels. Routine checks and service points are simple to reach, reducing downtime and helping extend the life of your tractor. Whether you're haying, hauling, digging, or grading, the 2025 Kubota M7060 is built to perform. It's tough, versatile, and comfortable enough for long hours in the field. Backed by Kubota's reputation for reliability and support, this tractor is a smart investment for any operation looking to increase productivity and reduce hassle. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more updates on the latest tractors and farm equipment. This was the 2025 Kubota M7060, and I'll see you in the next video.